natin, yung cash na natanggap natin is 828.83. Ayan. So, ito yung ilalagay natin, debit cash, 828.83. So, next natin is the platform fees and charges. So, i-total niyo itong dalawa, March 1, kasi ito, yung again, yung titignan niyo is yung payout completed date, March 1. So, for the day, yung platform fees and charges natin is, again, nasa baba yan, 152. So, i-record niyo 152. So, i-disregard niyo yung negative na sign. Ayan, platform fees is 152. So, next natin is the creditable withholding tax. Again, i-add lang ninyo yung dalawang item na ito. That would give us itong 4.17. Ayan, sa baba again, 4.17. Ayan, creditable withholding tax, 4.17. And yung sales natin, again, sales natin is ito, in-add lang natin, i-add natin itong dalawang item, I mean itong dalawang row, 495 and the 490, that would give us a sum of 985. So, yung sales natin is 985.